Good afternoon, guys. How you doing? It's Lou again with Lickety Split. I am out here in St. Augustine. We came out here originally yesterday to get the customer some relief on his sewer line that on a 5.5, almost 6-year-old house that is very bad, and the customer needed some time, so we jetted it as a complimentary jet. But also he had other issues along the home. Corrosion was starting to build, all his faucets starting to go out and build all this green stuff on it. So actually today we installed a dual tank combo softener back there to protect the customer's home and water. Guys, it's been 2 days. Feel like family now, y'all say?
Yes.
How was my services?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Thank you very
Excellent.
much.
Communication, everything.
Okay. And out of 5 stars, what would you guys rate us?
6.
I like that. Maybe 5 each? That'd be 10.
Yeah, that's right.
That sounds better.
Yes.
All righty. And would you recommend us to your neighbors, friends, and family?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Thank you guys so much for your time.
All right, thank you.